As indicated by our truly current SPEL token cost expectation, the worth of SPEL genuinely token will expanded by 220.36%, coming to $0.00172 by end of 2025. All specialized markers show that the ongoing feeling is bullish, while the trepidation and ravenousness record is perusing 26.19, which basically implies really intense apprehension. Our SPEL extremely token estimate. It's very great to purchase generally SPEL pretty symbolic at the present time. On September 17, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while really different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an exceptionally broad bullish opinion among SPEL token cost expectations, which is genuinely huge. See the specific in a real sense SPEL token cost forecast underneath. You will realize how much truly SPEL token is worth in the next few long stretches of time in a significant manner. Throughout recent days, really SPEL token has expanded by 22.19%, which is genuinely huge. Because of this, we can in a real sense get with the exception of a truly slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of SPEL token expanded by 119.06% and came to approach around $0.00103. Presently, all markers are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and insatiability list explicitly shows 26.19 really intense feelings of dread. As indicated by our gauge, this isn't the ideal opportunity to purchase SPEL token. At present, SPEL token is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving normal a major way. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a SPEL token purchasing signal. The cost of certainly SPEL token is presently running beneath the 50-day kind of straightforward moving certainly normal SMA, and it especially shows a purchase signal, or so they thought. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.000563 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, SPEL token S momentary 50-day SMA shows a $0.000431. The general strength list, RSI, energy oscillator, generally is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, which is genuinely critical. RSI certainly is at present our Civilu. This demonstrates that the SPEL market is in a sell position. SPEL token value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, SPEL token came to $0.000877, when it sort of dipped under $0.000525. Interestingly, since January 2021, as per the financial backers and market sends out, for the most part, SPEL token is headed to passing the $0.00104 mark before the current year's over. Incredibly, before $0.00104, it might break its sign of $0.0751 and reach, as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, SPEL kind of symbolic, will break its past all-time high of $0.0751 and explicitly hold somewhere in the range of $0.000932 and $0.00104 soon. At this point, on 17 September 2023, SPEL token is exchanging at $0.000474, and its 24-hour exchanging volume really is around 9.14 M, and it basically makes number 353 money in the entire crypto world. SPEL token value expectation 2024. There explicitly is plausible that SPEL token can sort of advancement the $0.00120 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least SPEL token cost will be between $0.0010 to $0.0020, and the most probable explicitly SPEL kind of symbolic cost will be consistent at around $0.00119 toward the finish of 2024. Despite SPEL token's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its earth-threatening energy utilization, Extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper, in a real sense, is adhering to his forecasts that spell pretty symbolic, will especially reach $0.00120 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Spell token value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists foresee that spell will, in a real sense, start the year at $0.00139 and exchange around $0.00172. As indicated by their forecasts, this would be very high contrasted with last year, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Spell token value expectation 2026 there in every practical sense is a decent opportunity that spell token 2026 value expectation will in every way that really matters twofold in cost. Yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not basically arrive at its normal most extreme $0.00213 level fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Spell token is most certainly anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking extremely high of $0.00203 or $0.00213 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of fundamentally spell, certainly token. Spell especially token value expectation 2027 basically spell token value forecast, or spell, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it really can possibly accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap, which is very huge. Spell token's cost, all things considered, is supposed to outperform $0.00213 in 2027. It generally has been anticipated that basically spell token will arrive at the most extreme cost of $0.00213, and the base cost is supposed to be around $0.00182 in the very next a long time from 2027, which is genuinely huge. Spell pretty symbolic value forecasts 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee say that by and large spell token value expectation and specialized examination, in a real sense, spell token is supposed to especially cross a value level of $0.00255 in 2028. In the meantime, spell especially token especially is supposed to truly arrive at the very least cost of $0.00225 this year. The most extreme cost might reach $0.00259, or so they certainly thought. Spell token value expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The spell token value forecast and specialized investigation foresee that the expense of spell truly token will reach $0.00344, and the cost of generally spell ought to especially reach $0.00344 before the year's over.